Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Shopify store look professional. First, select a modern, responsive theme that aligns with your brand's aesthetic. This sets the visual tone for your entire store. Next, prioritize exceptional product photography. Use consistent lighting and angles for a cohesive look. Finally, craft compelling product descriptions that clearly communicate value and answer potential customer questions, making every detail count for a polished presentation. A strong brand identity is crucial for professionalism. Design a unique logo and select a consistent color palette that resonates with your target audience. Apply these branding elements uniformly across your entire store, from banners to buttons, creating a cohesive visual experience. Always use high-resolution images and graphics. Blurry visuals can instantly diminish your store's credibility and professional appearance. An excellent user experience is paramount. Ensure your store has intuitive navigation, making it simple for customers to find exactly what they need within a few clicks. Optimize your site for speed. Slow loading times can deter up to 40% of potential customers. Clearly define calls to action, guiding visitors smoothly from browsing to checkout, ensuring a seamless and professional shopping journey. Building customer trust is essential for a professional store. Showcase authentic customer reviews and testimonials to provide social proof. Clearly communicate your secure payment options and transparent return policies, building confidence. Ensure your contact information, such as an email address or phone number, is easily accessible, demonstrating reliable customer support. These elements collectively enhance your store's credibility and professional standing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.